Okay, folks, this video is to help my coworkers. Is to help them change their investment mix for their 401k. So after you log in to your 401k, you want to go to this page. You want to click on this 401k savings plan. All right, the next page that should pop up should look similar to this. It'll have a graph on it on your year-to-date returns. It will also have a graph. It will have a chart of your current investment strategy, your current investment mix. As you see, we're currently in 65% Putnam Stable Value, 35% Harbor Capital. So we want to change that. You click on the little arrow. You click Change Investments. Next will be this screen. It'll be the Change Investment screen. You want to click on Create a New Investment Mix. All right, so we're just using this as an example. This page shows you your current investment mix. We want to try to change it, just as an example, to something like let's see, let's pick a SSGA. Let's pick SSGA Target Retirement 2060. So let's put 100% into 2060 target date. After you typed in 100% or whatever percentage you want to change it to, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue. After you click Continue, you should come to this page, the review page. So it'll tell you your existing investment mix. It will also tell you what your future investment mix is. So as you see, our existing investment mix is Putnam Stable Value, 65%, 35% Harbor Capital. That's our existing mix. We want our new mix to be the 2060 target date. So if that's where you want it to be, everything looks good. Make sure you hit Submit button at the bottom. The next page should be your confirmation page. So it should say completed successfully. It'll give you a confirmation number. If you don't get this page, that means that your change did not go through and you'll have to start all over again. So again, this page will tell you what your existing mix is. Our existing mix is 65% Putnam Stable Value, 35% Harbor Capital, and we want our new mix to be the 2060 target date in this example. So once you get this page, you can go ahead and log off and then make sure you close that window. That's it for this video. I know I didn't tell you how to log in. I did that for security reasons. If you want to know how to log in to the 401k savings plan, just send me a message on Facebook Messenger and I'll tell you the link to use to get into your savings plan. Later.